One world, one India, one democracy. Welcome to Daily Democracy channel. Welcome to day 3 of Daily Democracy. Today I will explain democracy in short story format. Here is the story. One day, unfortunately, the king was getting ready for vacation. Fortunately, one of his important ministers was late by 2 hours. The king gently asked, "Why are you late?" The minister replied very politely, "My mother was sick. We went to hospital. Unfortunately, a big masses are waiting earlier than us, and it's very bad. Only one doctor to serve all those big masses." Immediately, the very next moment, the king stopped the minister and ordered to his personal doctors, "Leave my palace and serve those big masses." Here, the moral is, king is the guardian but not the god. Just like democracy is also the very same. Democracy keeps people at supreme level. Last but not least, the very traditional definition of democracy was for the people, of the people, by the people. Any one of the principles is violated, it's not a real democracy. If everything is violated, it is absolutely autocracy. It was one man show, just as we all seeing in North Korea. ఈ ఛానల్కి ఒక టార్గెట్ ఉంది, 100 days 100K సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్. ఈ టార్గెట్ ఒక ఛానల్ది, ఒక వ్యక్తిది, ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ది కాదు. ఈ టార్గెట్ ఒక డెమోక్రసీది. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు డైలీ డెమోక్రసీ ఛానల్. గంట సింబల్ని గట్టిగా కొట్టండి, ఎందుకంటే తెలియాలి కదా డెమోక్రసీ ఈజ్ నాట్ డెడ్ అని.